Jamie's vlog. Morning into Evians. It's another nice day here in Lady, New York.
Happy husband.
Up early today doing some laundry. Managed to get another episode of Big Hit Room before I went to bed and stuff. First watched as well Once Upon a Time and Game of Thrones. And I like that this morning I wake up to the news that the actor who plays Jon Snow, Kit Harington, had to make an apology to all of his fans for lying about his character's fate. Most probably people watching this now, they haven't seen the show yet, spoilers. But no, here's the thing, it's basically the fans' fault for making this saying, oh my god, no, he's dead, no, he's alive, no, he's dead. And to be tread along and say, no, he's not coming back, no. And then this happened, I was like, I kind of knew he was coming back anyway. So.
Yes, I completely agree with everything you're saying. Just there.
He knows nothing, that Jon Snow. He's my little Jon Snow. No, he's my direwolf. He's my direwolf. He is my ghost. Oh,
there's one thing I realised as well, Han.
What's that?
Yeah, we have a coaster in the car. Yeah, we have, haven't we? Oh, why do we have it in the car still?
I don't know. I guess we just sort of forgot about it.
Yeah.
Or you want to twat me in the face with it? One way or the other.
Don't want to do that. It's our Thursday. Oh, there's me. Oh, God. Sorry, guys. I feel a little bit drained. Fell asleep on the sofa with good food.
A little bit of good food.
A little bit of good food.
You didn't eat it all.
No, I did eat a good amount of it, though. But anyway, new Man at Arms.
Yep.
That was not bad, I thought.
I thought it was pretty impressive. I mean, they turned a sword out of a bulletproof steel.
Yeah, bulletproof steel, yeah, that's fine. I'm okay with. But the choice of weapon, I thought.
So what? It's from a Black Ops game, yes. I know it's cool to hate on Black Ops, but I'm just there to watch the weapon. I don't care about the source material necessarily.
You got a point. And it does kill. But cut.
Oh, it will kill. That's for damn sure. That thing looked like it was a beast to swing around.
More Overwatch trailers came out.
Yep. The Are You With Us trailer, where Winston was rallying the troops.
That's the thing, are you going to be with them?
I don't know. I mean,
would that be a game that's something to pick up, or would you rather see it as like, what the trailers have been out recently, more of like a small TV series?
Yeah, I don't know. I like
or
the
web series.
The thing is, like, I like the characters quite a bit, and the character lore and everything that they've created around the game is really exemplary. It's that level of Blizzard polish that they just are absolute masters of. But the game itself is just it's Team Fortress. I don't care. It's fun to watch. I like to watch the other people play it.
I won't play it.
But I'm not. I don't know. I never actually got my hands on time with Overwatch when I was at PAX East, and it was all over the place. So there was no escaping the fact that Overwatch was coming. But
Overwatching you.
yeah, no, for sure. The shooting game I did like and I did play and actually gave an award for was Doom.
Anyway,
that's coming out very soon, I think.
I think that's something we have to pre-order.
Yeah, that's that game. Now that game, like that, feels good. Like it was back to the classic run and gun, blow shit up, fucking big weapons, big enemies, and big crazy bullshit. And the multiplayer modes are just fun, and they've got this snap mat thing that you can create your own levels in easily. I mean, just there's too much good stuff. I think Doom is a better shooter. Not to say that Overwatch is a bad shooter by any stratch.
Doom had a bit of history.
Yeah, I don't know. Doom feels more like my kind of shooter, I guess I should say.
Alright, that's a shooter for you.
Yeah, it's big and loud and fast-paced. It's not about a team makeup or any sort of, even barely any tactics. I mean, though their multiplayer modes do have some, objectives and tactical things to consider. But overall, it's just fucking run around and jib the shit out of people and get jibbed yourself. Fucking, that's about it. That's all I really could want from a multiplayer shooter. I don't want there to be sniping posts or classes they don't need to necessarily convolute things,
Yeah. What else? A few more uploads tonight to do.
Yep.
Well, the other 8-bit.
WildStar's next big patch is going to be coming out on May 4th.
Oh.
It's the Vault of the Archon. So finally, after damn near a half a year, they're continuing on with the world story that was left hanging at the end of Omnicore 1. So, Vault of the Archon is going to be dropping here in a couple of days.
And do we have any news on 3.3 Revenge of the Horde?
No announced date yet there, no. I assume we're probably going to be getting that in the next 2 odd months or so.
Oh yeah.
So Revenge of the Horde coming. I mean, I still have to check out Destination Arctera, which is why I was patching up my WildStar client.
Oh, yeah.
So, but yeah, it's oh, and there's a new Discord chat that was created by one of the editors of MMO Games. He decided to create a Discord chat for bloggers and people who like video game blogging or writing and stuff like that, called Game Bloggers Anonymous.
Nice.
So,
You're a part of. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't say that.
huh? Huh.
What is Game Bloggers Anonymous?
Anonymous. Oh yeah, I get it. But yeah, no, it's a lot of cool people, really nice. It's just started today. So,
Sweet.
so I always like the idea of having a little community initiative. So
I'd say nothing really has been happening on my end. I mean, again, I've been looking at more news of Game of Thrones and stuff.
exactly.
Blah, 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 blah. May do a little bit more GTA tonight, see how that goes.
Sounded like you were having a good ass time last night.
Yeah, but I was just saying, with the internet so far.
Oh, it's fixed now.
It's fixed now?
Yeah.
So having a
It's sorted itself.
Prima donna.
Yeah, it's not the first lady of the stage. Yeah, no, that's got sorted itself out. Oh, exactly.
Yeah, it's time to go into work and face another 9 hours.
Yep.
And we got the new LMS.
Yeah, hopefully that's gotten together without too much issue. We'll see.
Kind of curious to see what it looks like. If not, I'll email you. Anyway, we shall see you guys in 9 hours.
Right. Work time is over, although played a bit of GTA. Now I'm knackered, so I'm gonna get some sleep. No, today I just felt so drained and so tired. But tomorrow's our Friday, which is a good thing. Anyway guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. And if you have and you like what you saw, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully tomorrow will be a brand spanking new day, and hopefully it'll be better than the rest. So until then, take it easy guys.